The IELTS speaking test is a face-to-face interview between the test taker and an examiner. It lasts about 11 to 14 minutes and is divided into 3 parts.
Part 1, Introduction Interview, 1. If you could switch lives with one person for a day, who would it be and why? I would love to switch lives with an astronaut on the International Space Station. Experiencing zero gravity and looking at Earth from space would be an unforgettable experience. It would give me a new perspective on life and make me appreciate our planet even more. 2. Do you think handwritten letters still have value in today's digital world? Yes, absolutely. Handwritten letters feel more personal and meaningful because they show effort and thoughtfulness. While digital communication is faster, a letter carries emotions in a way that a text or email cannot. 3. What's the most unique gift you've ever received? The most unique gift I received was a handmade scrapbook from a friend. It had photos, letters, and small notes about our best memories. It was incredibly thoughtful and something I will cherish forever. 4. If you had unlimited free time, how would you spend it? I would spend my time traveling to different countries, exploring new cultures, and learning new skills. I'd also dedicate time to reading, writing, and improving myself in areas that interest me. 5. Do you enjoy being in nature, or do you prefer city life? I enjoy both, but I prefer nature because it gives me peace and relaxation. Being in a forest, by the sea, or on a mountain helps me disconnect from daily stress and appreciate the beauty of the world. A few years ago, I faced one of the most difficult decisions of my life when I had to choose between accepting a job offer in a new city or staying in my hometown with my family and friends. The job was a fantastic opportunity. It offered a higher salary, better career prospects, and the chance to work in a more dynamic and competitive environment. However, moving to a new city meant leaving behind everything familiar, including my family, close friends, and the comfort of my home. At first, I felt extremely conflicted. On one hand, I knew that staying in my hometown would give me stability and emotional support. I had a strong social circle, and my family was always there for me whenever I needed them. On the other hand, I realized that taking this job would push me out of my comfort zone and help me grow both professionally and personally. After weighing the pros and cons for several weeks and discussing it with my family and mentors, I decided to accept the offer and move. The transition was challenging. Adjusting to a new city, finding a place to live, and building a new social network took time. There were moments when I felt lonely and doubted my decision, especially when I missed important family gatherings and special moments with my loved ones. However, as time passed, I started to see the benefits of my choice. I gained valuable work experience, developed new skills, and became more independent. The challenges I faced helped me grow stronger and more confident in my abilities. Part 3, Discussion, 1. How do people's decision-making skills change with age? As people grow older, they tend to make decisions more carefully and logically. Young people often make impulsive choices, while older individuals consider the consequences more deeply based on their past experiences. 2. Do you think making quick decisions is always a bad idea? Why or why not? Not always. In some situations, quick decisions are necessary, like during emergencies. However, for major life choices, it's better to take time to analyze all options before making a decision. 3. In what ways does culture influence the way people make decisions? Culture affects decision-making in many ways. In some cultures, people prioritize family opinions before making decisions, while in others, individuals focus on personal independence. Culture also shapes values like risk-taking and long-term planning. 4. Should schools teach students how to make better decisions? Yes, decision-making is an essential life skill. Schools should teach students how to evaluate options, think critically, and handle pressure. This would help them make better choices in their careers, relationships, and daily lives. 5. Do you believe emotions or logic play a bigger role in important decisions? Both play a role, but it depends on the situation. In personal relationships, emotions often guide decisions, while in business or financial matters, logic is more important. The best decisions balance both emotion and logic.